नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं आया हूँ यशवंत राव चव्हाण के इस सभागार में, जहाँ श्री श्याम बेनेगल की याद ताज़ा की जा रही है।
How much he did for me and what I owe him, and how his filmic vision affected the landscape of filmmaking in the country, and his generosity and his kindness. These are all givens. There is a line by Khalil Gibran in his book The Prophet, where he says, "Work is love made visible." And if you cannot work with love, then it's better that you should leave your work and sit at the gate of the temple and take alms from those who work with joy. These words seem like they were written for Shyam. I've always believed that death is the most unimportant part of life, and ironically the only inevitable part. What is important is what you do with the time you have. And it's undeniable that Shyam used every single moment of his life, every breath, every iota of energy in a creative pursuit of some kind or the other. And something tells me he's not through. Because I can see this wonderful film being made in the big studio in the sky, with Shyam directing and assisted by his trusty assistants, Girish Kanekar, Mandeep Kakkar, Khenchpal Kasturi, which is the name I owe to Prahlad, and Ashok Mehta is behind the camera, Vanral Bhatia is doing the music. The screenplay is written by Vijay Tendulkar, only slightly ruined by Dubeyji's dreadful dialogue. And of course it stars Girish and Smita and Amrish and Om, with guest appearances by Sadhu Meher and Priya Tendulkar. I feel kind of wistful I'm not in that film. I suppose I should be grateful for small mercies. But there are a couple of passages I would like to read to you from The Prophet, which may offer some solace to my foster mother, Neera, and my foster sister, Pia. And a woman said, "Speak to us of joy and sorrow." And he answered, "Your joy is your sorrow, unmasked. And the self-same well from which your laughter rises was oftentimes filled with your tears. And how else can it be? When you are joyous, look deep into your heart and you will find it is only that which has given you sorrow that is giving you joy. When you are sorrowful, look again in your heart and you will find that you are weeping for that which has been your delight. Some of you say joy is greater than sorrow, and others say, nay, sorrow is the greater. But I say unto you, they are inseparable. Together they come. And when one sits alone with you at your board, remember that the other is asleep upon your bed. Just as the heart of a fruit must break, that its heart may stand in the sun, so must you know pain. And could you keep your heart in wonder at the daily miracles of your life, your pain would not seem less wondrous than your joy. And you would accept the seasons of your heart, even as you always accept the seasons that pass over your fields. And you would watch with serenity through the winters of your grief. Thank you.
Yeah. Raju ji, please come up. So now when all of us are here, come on. Now please, all of you, Kulbhushan, आप नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं, आप नसीर के पास आइए यहाँ। उर्मिला कहाँ है? आइए। चली गई? अच्छा। एनीबडी एल्स? देखिए कि आपका मौका है, अगर आप नहीं आए शर्मा के तो फिर आप ही का प्रॉब्लम है। हाँ इंद्रजीत, उस दिन आप कह रहे थे कि मैं भी एक्टर हूँ।
The credit for this goes entirely to Shabana ji, who has been adamant that this book must be shared with all the people here.
अब देखिए, दिस इज एट एवरीबडीज रिस्क। हाँ, तो कोई और भी आ जाओ मेरे साथ। नसीर आप तो, अरे अरे आ जाओ, लेट आप आ जाओ। तो ये श्याम बेनेगल परिवार का एक आपको नमूना मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू अतुल, थैंक यू राजू जी, थैंक यू मीरा, थैंक यू Priya, and where's Meera?
I just want to say truly welcome to Sajjanpur.
And there's one more thing that I forgot to say, please. I'm on my knees, so I won't be telling lies. But I've never seen Shyam in a rage. Okay, never, ever, ever. The most frustrated when I saw him was with an assistant of his, whose name Keech, and full of rage, Shyam Benegal would say, the expletive that would come out of his mouth was donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey.
थैंक यू दोस्तों, मुझे पता था शायद ये मौका इस चीज़ का नहीं है, हालांकि वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग श्याम बाबू, लेकिन मैं एक कॉपी जावेद साहब को दे के आया था, नाम उस पर शबाना जी का लिखा था। ये कल रात बाहर से आई, उन्होंने रात में किताब देखी और मुझे फ़ोन किया सुबह सुबह कि भाई अभी तो देखी है लेकिन देखने में बहुत अच्छी लग रही, व्हाई डोंट यू काइंड ऑफ ओपन इट हियर टुडे।
एक बुक आया है जिस पे लिखा था 23 घंटे बस। उसके बाद 8 बजे, फिर 9 बजे, फिर 10 बजे, फिर 11 बजे, फिर 12 बजे, फिर 1 बजे, फिर 2 बजे, फिर कब तक हुआ बताओ? Till we got married. Till they got married. Can you imagine? If I was Neera, I would have kept postponing the marriage. It was so lovely. Okay, guys. So now it's really a celebration. Thank you very much, all of you, for being here. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming. Good friends, all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.
See